Hello my dear students, today I am going to discuss the measurement of national income by value added method. I have already explained income method and expenditure method. So today that is the value added method. So here that is already written the name value added means addition of value. So value added method is also known as product method. Product method. So here before the production we use raw materials. So if we add some valuation in the raw material for final goods, so that addition is a part of value added method. So in other words, in the form of definition, we can say value added method is a process in which we make an addition in intermediate goods by virtue of productive activities. So why here the value will be added? Because during the production process the producer spends a number different kinds of a producer invest the different kinds of investment, and due to that their cost changes, and that is known as value addition. So it is also known as product method. So there is a formula of value added, that is the first GVA. So here G for gross, V for value, or A for added. So gross value added. Gross value added. So here we take only the valuation of final goods. So final goods means the goods which is being offered to sell in the market. So we have also discussed previously that sales always includes indirect taxes. So GVA means gross value added will be calculated at market price. So it will be calculated at market price. Market price. So what will be the formula of GVA? So GVA is equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. So as we know that what is intermediate consumption? Intermediate consumption means all those things which is being utilized for the production of goods. So in the other form we can also say it is nothing but it is the raw material. So another thing is that what is value of output? So how we can calculate the value of output? So value of output has two main components. One is sales and other is change in stock. Change in stock. Is it clear? So when we add sales and change in stock, we get the value of output. So in that case we can say GVA is equal to sales plus change in stock minus intermediate goods. Intermediate goods or intermediate consumption. That will be better, goods in place of that is consumption. Is it clear? So this is known as measurement of national income by value added method. One thing always remember, now through this method we can calculate first, that is the GVA, NVA and NI. So here that is all in the market price, but we can also calculate GVA at FC, NVA at FC and NNP at FC. So first of all, I told you this will be always calculated at market price. So suppose I have to calculate GVA FC. GVA FC is equal to GVA MP minus net indirect taxes minus NIT or minus IT indirect tax plus subsidies. Okay. Now we have to calculate NVA. NVA at FC means GVA MP minus NIT. NVA FC is equal to GVA MP minus NIT, but here you find that is the G, and G will be converted into net. It means minus depreciation. That is known as depreciation or consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital. So in this way, like that, NNPFC is equal to, that is also known as national income. National income. So GVAMP minus NIT minus depreciation plus NFIA, net factor income from abroad. So in this way we can calculate. Now one thing that is the most important and every student should keep it in the mind. So what is this? That is known as note. What is the first note? Note number 1. Sales means all the sales. All sales. Here we do not take export. So here we do not take the export because sales means all sales. Okay? If that is given, that is the second. Domestic sale. Domestic sales. So here the term is domestic, and in that case domestic sales, it means plus export is equal to sales. So in that case, if the domestic sales is given, at that time we will take export and we will calculate sales. Now the third, if the domestic purchase is given, it means we have to also take imports. Domestic buys plus import is equal to intermediate consumption. Is it clear? So this is the most important. Every student should keep it in the mind, and on that basis we will be able to solve our problems. Okay? Thank you.